Yo, do tutorial number one. Let's go. I hope the levels are alright. I'll put an expander on the microphone. Isn't that crazy? So, this is like the thing. Um, like if I wait, uh, wait. How do you play it? Oh my god. Wait. Oh my god. No. Like, just look at that. That's like the thing there. That is my sound. That where my sound is coming from. The source. I wish I could like play it. Like, wait, let me find it. Yeah, that's the sound. Yeah, literally that's the sound. That's put it down like 36 semitones. That's 3 octaves. Put it on trigger. Just like look at that. Like filter low, and the resonance is what I'm kind of um automating, and it's like going like, and it has like multiple hits on it. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you would look at these hits individually, different like they're like different notes, I guess. Okay, it's the same note, but it's on different octaves. So these are the same octaves, but this goes low and this goes high. And the other thing that I'm automating is the transpose here. The transpose itself, like it goes down there, so it's like it makes that noise, I guess, and then that goes up like that screaming kind of thing. All of that's just following the movement of it. That's the redisperser thing, I guess. You like just add like many EQ3s to it. I have like call it like this, like wait, this, yeah, look at the $0 disperser. It's like this one has 32, the other has 16. This is like 127, so that's like crazy. Then like an Apple spectral gate thing. Look at the settings here. This really changes like the tone of it. That changes like the volume of it basically. And then I have like this is like the sauce, I guess. Cabinet is where your speakers are. In like when you make like guitar music, it's like cabinet is where your speakers are. So on this there's like 3 options for your cabinet. It's like 6L6 cabinet and like mega oversized cabinet, and you can bypass your cabinet. This is the app. It's like the only app it has, so no point in that one really. And look at that. It's like all of my noise suppressor is on. Everything else is off, I guess. Yeah, everything else is off. And like look at this. It's like mids turned down, lows and highs up. That's how I do my guitar usually anyway, so it just felt natural to do it that way. Lots of gain. Lots of like high threshold, like high decay. I think that really does something. I don't know what, but it does something. And then I'm running that in parallel with that, like a dry wet kind of thing. And this is like a mid-side EQ. In theory, it should do like mid-side EQ, but I don't know what it's actually doing. It's like that's my sides, and that's my wait. That's my mids. Taking out some like 2K, and my sides I'm boosting like around like 12K, I guess, and taking down everything else. So I don't want that to be on the sides. That's the sound really. That was my first tutorial.